Catching air and turning heads. A glimpse into snowboard creation. Did you know more than 70 million people worldwide share a passion for snowboarding? From snowy peaks to urban landscapes, this adrenaline-pumping sport keeps growing. Ever wondered what goes into crafting the boards that make those epic rides possible? Let's dive in! We're going behind the scenes to uncover the secrets of snowboard creation, focusing on the creme de la creme, the high-end boards that dominate the slopes. From forest to factory, sourcing the finest materials. The journey of creating a top-tier snowboard begins in the heart of nature. Imagine a dense forest shrouded in morning fog, where the air is crisp and the trees stand tall and proud. Creating a top-tier snowboard starts with the best materials. The foundation of a great snowboard lies in the quality of the raw materials used. Each piece is meticulously selected to ensure it meets the highest standards. Picture this. Deep within a forest, expert lumberjacks select only the finest wood, carefully choosing each tree for its unique properties. These skilled workers understand the importance of their task, knowing that the quality of the wood will directly impact the performance of the snowboard, often sustainably harvested poplar or birch. Sustainability is key, and these trees are chosen not only for their strength and flexibility, but also for their ability to be replenished, ensuring that the forest remains healthy for future generations. These trees, known for their strength and flexibility, will form the core of the snowboard. The wood is then transported to the factory, where it will be transformed into the heart of the snowboard, providing the perfect balance of durability and performance. But wood is only part of the story. In addition to the finest wood, other high-quality materials are essential to create a snowboard that stands out in terms of performance and reliability. High-end boards incorporate space-age materials like carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum. These advanced materials are chosen for their exceptional properties, which enhance the snowboard's overall performance. These materials, often found in race cars and airplanes, provide incredible strength and responsiveness. By integrating these cutting-edge components, the snowboard gains a level of precision and control that is unmatched. Think of it like giving your snowboard a turbo boost. The combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology results in a snowboard that not only performs exceptionally, but also offers an exhilarating experience on the slopes. Shaping the rider journey through craftsmanship. This journey begins in a workshop where passion meets precision. Every snowboard starts as a vision in the mind of a craftsman, who meticulously plans each step of the process. Now, the real magic begins. The craftsman selects the finest materials, ensuring that each piece contributes to the overall performance of the board. The preparation phase is crucial, as it sets the foundation for the entire build. The selected wood is carefully cut, layered and glued together, forming the core. This core is the heart of the snowboard, providing the essential structure and strength needed for the ride. This core determines the board's flex, personality, and how it carves through the snow. Each layer is meticulously placed to ensure the perfect balance of flexibility and rigidity. Imagine a master chef carefully layering a cake. Precision is key. Just like in baking, the layering process in snowboard crafting requires an expert touch to achieve the desired outcome. Next, the core is encased in layers of fiberglass and epoxy resin, adding strength and responsiveness. This step is vital for ensuring the board can withstand the rigors of intense use while maintaining its performance characteristics. Then, the fun part. The board is placed into a mold that shapes its iconic curves and contours. This molding process is where the snowboard starts to take on its final form, ready to hit the slopes. This is where the personality of the board truly shines through, from nimble park boards to powerful powder machines. Each board is crafted with a specific purpose in mind, tailored to the needs of different riders and conditions. Section 4. The gold standard, unveiling the world's priciest snowboard. Speaking of shining, let's talk about the most expensive snowboard in the world, the luxury winter sport by a company called Cheval. This beast costs a jaw-dropping $50,000. Why so pricey? Well, hold on tight. This board boasts a core crafted from rare, aged wood, typically reserved for crafting fine violins. It's then adorned with gold accents and features a diamond-encrusted logo. Talk about making a statement on the slopes. Section 5. Shredding into trivia, fun facts from the slopes. Now let's lighten the mood with some fun facts. Snowboarding is not just a sport, it's a lifestyle, a culture, and a community. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, there's always something new to learn and enjoy. Did you know the longest snowboard ever made was a whopping 16 feet long? That's almost the length of a small bus. This massive board was created as a fun experiment, but it certainly turned heads on the slopes. Imagine trying to turn on that beast. It would take some serious skill and strength to maneuver such a gigantic board. Most of us struggle with our regular-sized boards, let alone something this enormous. And get this, snowboarding was initially called snurfing, a combination of snow and surfing. Catchy, right? This name was coined back in the 1960s, when the sport was just starting to gain popularity. It's amazing to see how far snowboarding has come since those early days. So there you have it. A couple of fun facts to impress your friends with the next time you're on the chairlift. Snowboarding is full of interesting tidbits and history that make it even more fascinating. The next time you hit the slopes or see snowboarders flying through the air, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the craftsmanship and innovation that goes into every ride. From the design of the boards to the skills of the riders, it's all a testament to human creativity and passion. But hold on tight, because this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to discover about snowboarding, from its origins to the latest trends and technologies. Stay tuned for more exciting stories from the world of snowboarding. Whether you're a rider or just a fan, there's always something new and thrilling to learn about this incredible